Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I decided to clean up a little bit, and it's still a little rough. But today I'm by myself, so we're going to do something simple. If we can manage, I'm going to work on the soffits. And well, they're low impact. We'll stop in here at the Home Depot and we'll pick up some soffit material, and we'll get started shortly. What we're going to do on these soffits, we have a 1/2 inch aluminum J trim. I could have went with vinyl, but they don't hold up very well over the long term. I want this to be low maintenance, so I'm going to use this 1/2 inch aluminum J trim. And what we're going to do, we're going to run it all around on the edge of the house, this outside edge, and that's where our soffit's going to fasten into. No. Already trying to mess up. Make sure everything is level. Too short. This one's not too short. If you're wondering, I'm using a 3/4 inch pan head screw. They're galvanized, and they got the pointy end. They have some that are self-tapping if you were going into metal, but we're just going into wood here, so these pointy ones work fine. The self-tapping ones are more expensive, so we're going to go the cheap route. And this is the final result. And of course I'll have to continue on here and work my way up to this edge, and I'll just continue to work my way around. Well, I think that's about all we're going to do for the day. I'm by myself today, and it's been a long week. I know I took last weekend off, but it's tough. I mean, you know, it's hot, and I'm going to do it one bite at a time. Made some progress. Got about, I guess, maybe 20% of the soffit up. And I'll come back another day and we'll pick back up on it. But stay tuned, it's coming along. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And by all means, don't tell my buddy Hal that I'm getting soffits. Poor boy had to wait a month or more after they said they were coming, and then they had to hire somebody else to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and get mine put up because, well, That's the way I roll. And unfortunately, that's the end of this video. And we'll see you next time.